rented a house. Woo-hoo. This is where we live for the next one day. Look, there's a pool over there. Everyone's learning how to dive. Dog. Oh, he doesn't chase away our cat. Where's our cat? We are about to check out of our temporary house and go live in our kind of permanent house. Come and stay. Too late now though. And kitchen. Yes. And Bluey. Hey Bluey. Saw turtles and a shark, a baby shark, barracuda, coral, triggerfish, parrotfish. We just ate very yummy dumplings and we bought some banana cornflakes. They look yummy, and today was the first dive and it was cool.